International Code of Signals, Annex 5. International Code of Signals is a standard communication system used by ships worldwide. It uses flags, lights, sounds, radio signals. Ang crew maka-communicate yapon sila clearly. What is Annex 5? In short, maoni ang system para Annex 5 of ICS focuses on medical communication at sea. It is used when naay emergency, naay masakit or ma-injured sa barko. Mangayo og medical assistant purposes to ensure clear and fast communication during medical cases. To help ship nga walay doktor on board to provide standardized message.
So, ang key features sa Annex 5, it includes pre-coded medical questions and answer, guides for describing. There are symptoms, injuries, patient condition. So instead maglisod og explain ang matag usa na siya i-guide on saon pag-communicate kay dili pareho og lingwahe sa usa ka barko. Lay possible nga laing lingwahe. So dili magkasinabot asay dana mas gipasayon gamit niini. For example, ang crew member gets injured. The officer uses ICS Annex 5. Sends message to medical station or coast guard, then receive instruction unsaon pag-treat sa patient. Mas pinaka-importante kini kay ngano magamit ta kani save lives at sea. Mao ni ilahang motto or reduce misunderstanding sa boat ship. Provides faster response, improves overall maritime safety. This is very important ni, especially kung layo sa hospital ang barko. The International Code of Signals or ICS is a communication system used by ships worldwide. So worldwide pasabutan na tanan nga barko, tanan nga ship, tanan nga vessel. Sa Annex 5 focuses on medical situation at sea. Mao din iyang main focus. It helps ship communication clearly ship to ship when there is an emergency, especially if there is no doctor on board. Tungod ani, mapaspas og response ang matag usa og safe ang crew members.